Chairman television station Wazobia TV, Wazobia Max, and the discussion still center on the Chibok girls and the new video where we say Boko Haram Jaguda people will bring out. The discussion inside the studio, see they come up plenty smoke, and different people inside the Nigeria and different parts of the world, they call in to give their own contribution as it get to do with this particular issue. Nkubi, let me allow you some respite, or people will call it respite, because I know, say, even your eye don't red, and you cannot, there's no way you can defend the fact that we are not, there's no way you can defend the fact that we are not being sincere. You see, this is not already very, very clear to Nigeria and say, our politicians, they change party, they know they change themselves. Because I be mentioned that when we start say, under this government of change, party is not corruption, because they use their mouth, talk under this government of change, party, come turn to EFCC because now they invite una party members to ask them, say, don't talk, don't do this, don't do that. Under this particular administration, since July 21, when something happened, we never hear anything about that. They just sweep them under this carpet, and the 2016 budget is supposed to be the budget of change. Bag of rice is over 20,000 naira. Fuel price is 145. They even told us they go around 200, 250. Dollar that was like this before. We don't even know where it's going. It has fallen. Everything has fallen. Everything has fallen, and we are not still being told the truth. We are not trying, waiting. Thank God. If to say that 3 months we dey inside this government, everybody go say, give us time. Shebi the first 100 days pass. The first 100 days pass. We are going to 1,000 days. Right. We are going to 1,000 days. 365 days make a year. Now the 15th month be this so. Now the 15th month, we will. Continue, we will. You are watching the video. You are treating herdsmen with pipeline. You are fighting corruption. Nobody don't go jail. The ones where we even hear, partying is not corruption. All those kind of things. Continue. No, continue. We are waiting for you. Nigerians, we are waiting for you. Anyway, as a comment, I will continue to speak for Nigerians. We are waiting for you.
And the matter still very much on. And the
you don't even get balance. See as you shake. You don't even get balance again. You don't get balance. You don't get balance.
I'm not him.
You are shaking.
Are you referring to him?
You don't get balance. You are shaking.
You can't be referring to him.
No, why will I not be referring to you?
Refer to him.
No, you are shaking. You don't get balance. You don't get balance.
No, you can't shake. I am firm.
Firm.
We know who is shaking.
You are firm. You are shaking like the economy. No. You are shaking like the Nigerian economy. That was strong over a year ago, but it's now shaking. We are now in recession. Una go see.
Don't do.
Government.
No, they address our economy.
No be matter of address economy.
No, they talk economic.
No be matter of economy.
Why will you be saying our economic is shaking?
Is he not shaking?
Under this present administration,
is he not shaking?
They are intentional to build that.
Is he not shaking?
It is not shaking.
Shebi una dey give holiday. Farmers in Imo State, Thursday, Friday, make them go farm. You want to do government. You will change this country. We will see it. But as a comrade, as a Nigerian, we will continue to speak out. We will demand for more. Oga Prince from they tell us say they are not telling us the actual truth. See as the way when you take design them, as if saying a salad, they are not telling us the actual truth. If somebody don't tell you truth, what did the person they tell you? Don't be like, it's in the pipeline. You don't do. It's in the pipeline.
You don't do now.
It's in the pipeline.
You don't do now.
It's in the pipeline. It's in the pipeline.
Let us address this issue the way we want to address it.
From the pipeline.
We'll get Sebastian. Sebastian, good morning. Where did they call us from?
From the pipeline.
What is the meaning of that?
Now why you know?
Hey, please.
From the pipeline.
Please, Sebastian, are you there?
From the pipeline.
Yeah. Good morning, Jerry. Talk to us. Where are you calling us from?
I'm calling from Ijaniki.
Okay, talk to us. We hear you.
I want to thank you for the good work they do.
Thank you very much.
And please, we want to have one man talk. He say, we know that this thing, what they call government, a human being like us.
Yes.
No be sick. Government, no be God. So I want to blame them small. Because anything we pass person, don't pass person. But the thing we pass job is say, if you know if you do something, tell people say you know if you do it.
Oh.
Okay. See what I say, anything we know if you do, we know say you be human being. So you not go do magic.
Yes.
But if you want to keep person pass, and make they talk through, make people they understand their own where instant. So I think why they talk about this Chibok girl. Those the time when you start during Jonathan time, then they say it's political. Say one people want to come victimize
another administration.
But at the end of the day, when this government come up, they say they are going everything. They are going to make it fine. They are going to rescue them. They are going to pursue Boko Haram. But the thing when they pay me job is many person they talk through. They no fit. The only thing we're doing now is say all of us they hope for God. Say, may God help us. But the only thing is say, maybe they tell us truth. Make we know the place where they stand. Now they do nice work there, but may God help us release those girls because they are people's children. May God these politicians not they take and do politics. May them they take and they go up and down, as if maybe they are not human beings. So people should.
Thank you very much, Sebastian, for that your piece of advice. And this one now, like advice where they give government. Say, look, when it comes to the issue of governance, say. Make now they bring up issue to take talk, say now one thing can do it in, now one thing can spoil one particular person administration, say now one thing can do it in, ruin one particular person system. It does not work that way because your responsibility as a matter of fact that to rule people, not be to come they turn people into slaves, come they make their life they miserable. It does not work that way. Because it just as you could talk, it is very obvious say government, what do they get from government right now? Now something of interest, okay, I want come in and I want to ensure that I'll spoil this factor. And for that reason, why is this spoiler? Don't see the spoiler just because you want to make the nation good. Now because of say you get your own selfish interest inside them. It's as simple as that. And people are dying. People are dying. These are humans.
Thank God say you don't, the advice when they don't they give you don't they sink into your head.
Please.
No, you don't they sink into your head.
Please.
You don't they sink. Your head is your head is no longer in the pipeline. You have brought it out.
Hold it there, please.
You have brought it out.
Hold it there.
See what you can't even say Oga Sebastian the advice. Oga Sebastian under this government, every Nigerian not taught to advise her. Hey. Are we not in trouble? I know, are we not in trouble? Say people when we elect to represent us. People when tell us say we have the solution, we will do this, we will do that. See, difficult, see. Lin Kuan Yew of China. Lin Kuan Yew.
Don't do.
You see, people don't rule countries when we say difficult situation there. Mao Zedong, Lin Kuan Yew. Even the Nnamdi Azikiwe, Obafemi Awolowo. But now you go come back, you must tell yourself the gospel truth. And what is the truth? The truth be say, if we try this thing, work, we'll go try another one.
Good news they call us.
Not be to the light of people.
No, see whether we'll get good news from them. Good news, good morning. Good morning. Good news. This is your tone. Will not make you day ginger. Talk to us. We hear you.
Good morning, my brother.
Good morning. Good news.
My brother, it's quite unfortunate because Nigeria needs change before. But the way we are seeing change now, it's obvious that everything is happening the way it is now. APC and Buhari, they campaign for changing Nigeria to better. But the way things are going, nothing is going well in Nigeria. Everything is turning upside down. The issue of Boko Haram, they used Boko Haram to intimidate Goodluck Jonathan government. Everybody was aware of it. But up till now, there's nothing good things coming about in Boko Haram. You will be hearing videos, video every day. This one will bring out this one. Is it the change that we vote for? They say under 2 weeks they will wipe out Boko Haram. That was the promise they made. Under 2 weeks they will wipe out Boko Haram. But now, nothing is done.
But okay, good news.
The change that we vote for.
Make I ask you this question. You said something that say the president say part of the reason why they introduced.
I can't hear you. Hello?
Okay, you hear me now. I say you said something.
Yes, I can hear you now.
The issue of Chibok girls now to do it now to interrupt the previous government. But as we speak, the Chibok girls matter still be very visible. If not to interrupt or probably to affect the previous government, why are we still having it under this government? And I'm be one thing. Then another thing be say it is a collective will, just as we talk about. We have an issue on ground. Now for us to find way to address the issue, find solution to the issue, now be the major thing. Okay, good news. Now what I want to tell you.
What you want to tell them?
Issue of Chibok girls now. Nobody, we just hear about Chibok girls that Boko Haram is accusing army that the Chibok girls that they have killed army has strike out and killed Chibok girls. What of those bring back our girls? Are they still campaigning? Who is hearing about them again for now?
Okay, good news. We don't get your point. Thank you very much for that opinion we'd also bring in. At least as Nigeria we will collectively join all these voices together. Now we will take push forward to government. We'll get Clarity. Clarity, they call us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Clarity.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning. No.
We dey hear you,
Yes,
Madam
we dey hear
Claret.
you.
Oga Chukwudi, wetin they talk now true. But when you take small, they finish Nkubi. You know, say Nkubi don't dey hot seat already.
You no go fit finish me, Claret.
Before you go jump down from the seat, Nkubi no say no even get point. But next time they finish am.
Claret, thank you very much for appealing to me to take it easy on this young man. Not be say me self they plan finish am.
because
of the passion when we start they carry come to speak for Nigerians. Time make we dey talk am.
Because of say Claret corner your
What is the difference? What is the difference between the change and the transformation? That's the question. That's the question. If una tell us say some people they lie to us, una come back, una come remix the lie, they give us the lie. What is it to us? What is it?
Remix lie.
What is it?
Who they remix lie for you?
No, be pipeline lie, all the pipeline lie, pipeline. Everything is inside pipeline. Everything is inside pipeline. Everything is inside pipeline. We shall. I'm waiting for my 5,000. In case you don't know, I'm waiting for it.
We have a caller, 5,000. Keep waiting.
Falsat, they call us all the way from Lekki.
You no get job, Abi.
Afusat from Lekki.
You don't even know the name where they call. Afusat, good morning, Gary.
Would they hear you, Afusat?
Good morning.
Mm-hmm. Good morning. Well
Yes.
done. No?
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. See, this is our issue. Not be today it start. So, Oga Chukwudi, the way they hana. You go calm down first. Make your investigation far back from the last administration.
Talk to
him.
him.
What happened during that time? What thing they do? At some point, before these Chibok girls, they carry them reach Lambisa Forest, where they just carry them from that government school. Una know, say, they there for a flat land like this, where they say their parents, they even supposed to see them as they carry them. Then they shout to the past government, the soldiers where they that time. Nobody went to rescue them till they entered inside Lambisa Forest, where they say they don't even see go there again. Then the military intelligence, where they carry from US during that past government, what thing they can't do? Why that government no talk what thing they can't do? What was the intelligence they lent to us? How did they come to help us? We should understand that this country, during the last administration, did not only, in fact, it fried. After frying, it burnt and started melting. People embezzled tons and tons of billions of dollars that were supposed to use to help to combat these people. And now this present administration is battling amidst other problems we have to try and see how we can come up with a strategy to fight these people. And people are busy making noise and all that. We all understand how difficult it is. And we have empathy. We sympathize with the parents. But let us all come together and look for a way to support this government to bring all those children out safely. And as for that video where they put, everybody knows what it is, how the debris of a place that is being attacked by firefighters or jets looks like. Yeah. That video does not look like anywhere that people attack. Because you would have, even the bodies would have been scattered, charred and all that.
Sort of, yeah.
It wasn't looking like that. It looks like an act. It looks like an act. So I believe this government is trying. Let's also put our hands together and see.
Madam Afsat, I really appreciate this your contribution and the way when we say use your voice, drive home your point. And I did very happy say we get people for Nigeria when they talk like this. Make I bring out one thing when she talks. She talks say make Nigerians join hands together to support the government to ensure say we see logical conclusion to this particular thing. But it did very, very clear say some people before them be no say we need to support government. Then they use them, they score cheap political points or to their own advantage. Now the thing not clear for their eye, we want support. Rabiu, they call us all the way from Anambra. Rabiu, good morning and welcome to Asi the Hot.
Rabiu, good morning.
It's in the pipeline.
What has Rabiu got to do with pipeline? Rabiu, are you there?
Why will he be there? It's in the pipeline. Everything is in the pipeline.
Do we have another caller?
No, we have a break in the pipeline. Make we go break when they for pipeline. When we go, come back, we'll continue our discussion. Now everybody knows say we need to support the government. That time when people they use and they sing, say, hey, they have not.
Yes, and at the final lap of the program, now we don't enter, and then the matter still they're very hot and then fresh. And what will they talk about? Once again, we'll talk about the issue of the footage we will see where a faction of the Boko Haram set and do it in release, where they talk, say, look, say, make government do it, make government release some of their people and where they hold there, so that at least they will also do it in free some of the girls, where they also did, some of the Chibok girls, where also did their captivity. Chuku, they see the studio and the cause, see they enter, and the matter still they very much on. You see, it go good. Make I just drop this particular one like this because I want to use this one sign out. Number one, politicians must know say they constitute minute, I go speak English, minute percentage of the Nigerian population. Yes. Those when they government, make we count 36 governors, 360 for House of Reps, 109 for House of Assembly, President, all the people when they appoint. If vis-a-vis the Nigerian population of 180 million people, over 200 million, now something when they very, very small. Now, political parties must realize, say, if your primary responsibility is to ensure, say, you protect the lives of citizens, everybody must put resources to use to ensure, say, they achieve one particular aim. The governor of Borno State na APC. The president of Nigeria at the time na PDP. Whether you like him or not, people take advantage of the situation to use to say that they blame whatever situation on the incompetence of not even just the government but the political party. Hey, now PDP they do am, now APC they plan am. PDP people will talk say now APC they use this one to spoil their government. APC people will talk say these PDP people they don't get the idea. If we enter, we go do am. Now we don't come see am say government no be about mouth, government no be about to make noise, government are about to carry out action. We get Tayo, relax. We get Tayo the colors from Oshogo. Good morning, Tayo. Tayo, you there? Tayo. It's unfortunate everybody in a pipeline. Everybody in a pipeline. But you could going by what you just talked now. No, talk about the pipeline when our calls then they enter. Tayo, pipeline. The last scholar, pipeline. Going by what you just talked now. Not be you go tell me what now we'll talk. Just be yourself. Let me be myself. Let me talk with now and talk. Respect yourself there. So going by what you just talked now, in all society, that if we really see what him play out in the last administration, a job like say support actually no come from other sub-governments. I mean, when I mean sub-governments, a few sub-governments will fall on the opposition. Because I remember a couple of times the president then extend invitations. Okay, we got this problem on ground. Okay, you when we have the opposition, I mean, I'll come. Make we all know how to take it. Address them. Everybody just they politicize things, just they do it, just they shit themselves, just they hold within their feet, say the information what they get. No one even join hand with the government then. You understand? But then make also be your mind, just as you could talk. Governance now collective thing. Now everybody going to come together, get them right. Because if you get them right, now we go benefit from them. Not be you, not be individuals. Now collective benefit now we go benefit from them. But right now, opposition don't take over. It don't get issue. Without calling on Nigerians, come on. If the same faction, you are right at the same position, come they say, okay, well, the same thing will do us, we also do that back. It don't turn something of interest, personal interest. And who they suffer them? The Nigerians. And one thing we will also talk, we say, just that if we count the number of politicians we will get, at least they're plenty, they don't go past 1 million. Compared to 180 million Nigerians. We get Idowu. I thought that 1 million, 800,000 APC. Idowu, they call us from Ijaye. Good morning, Idowu. Because now them be said. Hold on. Idowu is on the line.
Good morning, my people on the studio there.
Yes, so they hear you.
Yeah. I think both of you do well, but the issue is that we should understand what is going on in this country.
Okay.
Right from the past government, we know what is going on there.
Okay.
And we should not blame the present one the way you people are saying, especially the tallest over there. Sorry to mention that way.
Continue.
The issue is that I want you to understand that even though there was a time giving money to in order to go and fight this Boko Haram we are talking about, and there's some battalion that even under this, let me put it this way, under this issue that they said they should go and pay them off. You understand? And at the end of the day, we discover that this money. There's some money for these people to buy some ammunition and some in order to fight this Boko Haram. And the money was taken to another extent. Please, let us be sincere to ourselves. Please don't be annoyed with my speech because the issue is that we should understand that the problem of this country, we need God to intervene.
We need God to intervene.
Okay, thank you very, very much. As you don't call God, but if God want to intervene into any situation,
we're going to need to lead forward.
Not be situation when we would say we go to use lie, because God know they work with lies.
Because for God to also come in, we get there is normal proverb, normal saying where we say where they talk say local and talk about how they take talk for Yoruba. Okay, now I even talk for English. See, anybody they call on God, make the person first do it and move forward first. Move see say you don't actually. Then God will come intervene. You know, just day on your own, can't expect the results. What kind overnight results will happen? Where we say the God people they involved know what they do. No, say they don't know what they do. They know what they do, but don't want to do it. No one collectively come together and don't have to address them. Now be the thing. If we don't bring our voice together, how God will take intervene? We will continue to get issue.
It be like say we get Elias on top of our line. Elias, good morning and welcome to us City Hot.
Good morning, Elias.
Yeah, hello, Chukwode.
I greet your guy Elias.
I greet you too.
We didn't hear you.
I'm so happy with the program you are having here.
Okay.
No, the issue of somebody called a lady and said that this government, we should support this government.
Okay.
I don't know. It's only people that in APC that will support the government. They know how they started it. They know how they started destabilizing Nigeria economy and the rest of it. They know how they initiated Chibok Gears. They are the people that initiated it, if you allow me to say that.
But Oga Elias, this one are just allegation now. You know if you substantiate them or you don't get proof.
And apart from that,
sorry.
You also said something, Oga Elias. Say make you leave the responsibility to the people who cause them. Be you as Nigerians, if you get idea or suggestion, you know if you put them in.
Okay, and another thing is this. There is one man that is, this APC, they are full of lies. This man called Mr. Lai Mohammed, they should stop lying about everything in Nigeria. Please.
Okay, don't get your point. Thank you very much for that contribution. But then we always talk and say, when it comes to the issue of nationality, when it comes to the issue of Nigeria as a whole, so that do it. Now everybody go do it, come together. If we don't segregate, we don't come out ourselves from the responsibility, or probably come out ourselves going by the fact, okay, maybe a particular people now then cause us. Then how you say we go come together, do it, address the issue.
We get somebody all the way from Ikoyi, or I don't know, I don't make mistake with the name. Now you go tell us the name. Welcome to our City Hall. So you be our final caller.
Good morning.
Thank you very much. This is Onyam Sunday.
Okay, Onyam, feel free.
Onyam Sunday.
Okay, Onyam, feel free.
I'm very grateful for this last chance you give me.
Okay, would I hear you?
I appreciate for all what you are doing there.
Okay.
Well, I don't know, these people for waiting our guests yesterday talk. I believe all these things they were just using to spread the former government. I'm not sure that it's true, because if the fact about 200 and something students in the school, no one escaped, no one died, how are we sure it's true?
Okay, but Oga Onyon, the situation now say these girls they still there in the hands of Boko Haram Jaguda people. This government don't promise say they go rescue them, but we don't see new twist. What do you think that the government is supposed to do for this kind of situation now? Oga Onyon, it be like say you go take that one and do assignments, because it be like say the interference, the thing they slow and time don't go well. But we appreciate the fact say you call. We go use this opportunity to thank everybody when call from different parts of Obodo, Nigeria, from those when call from South Africa, those when call from Lekki, those when call outside Lagos, and different parts of this Lagos to contribute for this particular discussion. It go good make we put them like this. We all understand say for inside country, based on the way when politics they, everybody no go hold the same view, but in the end, the idea is supposed to be the thing when we say go unite all of us as a country. We understand say for this particular time for our country, it get the kind of situation when we say we dey face. But as a people, if we unite, now all of us go fit move our country forward. So whether you talk say and like these Chibok girls be, no be like this e be. If we get government, we talk say they committed to ensuring say they settle this matter once and for all, make we support that government. Nigeria and our country no go spoil. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come on smoke. Kunkubi.
Yes, till tomorrow we will come again. Bye bye.
You know go thank Claret when save you. When Sebeka stop to the fire you anyhow. You know go thank